This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating or signing into your Tradingview account. This gives you chart saving and cloud sync. Once done, choose Desktop app for stability or stick with a modern browser for quick access. Make sure to set your time zone and default chart template before you open symbols so indicators align with your session. Save a workspace immediately to avoid losing custom layouts. This first step prevents mismatched data and speeds up the rest of the setup. Now you'll construct the chart. Add a symbol by typing its ticker and pressing enter, then pin frequently used symbols for faster switching. Next, apply indicators from the Indicators menu and tweak periods or sources to fit your strategy. Save as a template once optimized. Use multi-chart layouts to compare timeframes and link symbols so they update together. Adjust intervals and scale behavior to view price action clearly. These middle steps finish by enabling the trading panel to connect a broker or activate paper trading for practice, authenticate credentials, and verify order types. Then set price alerts with conditions and add replay mode for backtesting quick setups. Save chart snapshots and export data or layouts for backup. If something goes wrong, check internet stability, clear cache, and confirm indicator script permissions. Reconnect broker or restart the app. These final checks ensure your workspace is consistent and ready for real or simulated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.